In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom hatch patterns in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll be able to load your own .pat files and confidently apply them to any closed area in your drawing. Let's start by opening the hatch tools. You can type hatch in the command line and press enter, or click the hatch icon on the draw panel of the ribbon. Either way, this opens the hatch visor, which is the floating control that lets you choose patterns and adjust their properties. If you don't see it at first, look for the contextual hatch controls that appear when the command is active. Next, open the pattern library. In the visor, find the patterns control, click the pull down and choose open library. This shows built-in patterns, but we're going to bring in your custom ones so they live alongside the defaults. To add custom patterns, click the drop-down arrow again and select Add Patterns. Browse to the folder where your .pat files are stored, select the ones you want and click Open. It's a good idea to keep your .pat files in a dedicated folder so they're easy to manage and back up. After you add them, the pattern names should appear in your library. If a pattern doesn't show up or throws an error, it may have formatting issues. Try another file or verify the pat syntax outside of AutoCAD. If AutoCAD still can't find your patterns, you may need to point the program to the correct folder. Type Options in the command line and press Enter. In the Options dialog, go to the Files tab, expand Support File Search Path, and add your custom hatch folder. Move it up the list. If you want it prioritized, click Apply and OK. In some cases, closing and reopening the drawing helps the change take effect. Now you're ready to use the pattern. With hatch still active, select the custom pattern from the library, then click inside the closed area you want to fill. You'll get a live preview before you commit. If the hatch looks too dense or too sparse, adjust the scale in the visor. If the orientation isn't right, tweak the angle. If AutoCAD says it can't find a boundary, zoom in to check for gaps or set a small gap tolerance so minor openings don't break the fill. When it looks correct, press Enter to accept. That's it. You've opened the hatch command, loaded custom pat files, ensured AutoCAD knows where to find them, and placed the hatch cleanly in your drawing.